Usually the biggest part of it is putting something together that's not a recipe. Ingredients, or materials that allow me to create. The creative part of it is what makes it more fun for me. And I find new ways to challenge myself. I was living in Tucson, that's where I grew up. From there I went to school in New York, the Culinary Institute of America. Italian's always had my favorite, just because I love the ingredients. And not so much traditional dishes as making up new things with the same ingredients. Well, that's what I like. I like to build the flavors of the dish that I'm putting together in the pan. And I think the difference in the way you structure and build the dish in the pan as you're cooking it brings all those flavors together. Probably our most popular pasta is this Bucatini. We start with Nuschke's bacon, add the sausage, and you start building with those ingredients as they loosen the juices and fat off of the meat. We add caramelized onions and sauteed mushrooms and garlic, and you let all those kind of cook down. So all the flavors are kind of sitting on the bottom of the pan. So when you add the cream, you see the pan kind of bubble, and all those flavors that are on the pan kind of come up, and they become part of the sauce. And then you add the noodles into it and just toss it around. Finish it with some Parmesan cheese. There you go. Tasty. I treat people the way I would like to be treated, and that's the thing that gravitates people to want to work with me and follow me. It builds really good relationships, and seeing people grow and learn was a rewarding part for my career. People are always asking me, what are you doing here? Coming from a place like Arizona where, it's always either hot or not so hot. One of my favorite things about living in the area is all the green that we have, all the trees, and actually having a white Christmas is one of the neatest things. Yeah, this became home, And so now when I say I'm going home, this is where I come.